Hello, Jem Ayres, sex coach here, and I just want to talk to you about the vulva meditation workshop that got coming up. It's called Your Vulva Meeting in Meditation, and it's about really connecting with our genitals in a way that we've never done before. I remember that actually I hadn't looked at my genitals till I was 28, and I had no idea why I hadn't ever bothered. And I also recognised that I had, previous lovers who had seen more of my body than I had. So that was a bit strange. So this workshop is for women and vulva owners, and it's just a solo practice. There's no nudity on screen, and it's a guided process of meeting your body in a really sacred, honouring way, in a new way, so that we can kind of start to reclaim something of ourselves or learn something new about ourselves or rediscover something about ourselves. It's on, I'm just going to check the date, Tuesday the 24th of August, and it's 2 hours in the evening. And I really recommend you getting involved. During our book club a few weeks ago, we just did kind of like a mini session on this. We just did 20 minutes, and it's really quite profound and deep and very beautiful way of meeting yourself. So I look forward to seeing you there.